Recently, as Nairobi Review Company, we've been going to the streets and getting the opinions of Kenyans on just generally matters politics, and more so city politics, that is Nairobi. And majority of supporters of both political divides, the major ones, Azimio and Kenya Kwanza in Nairobi, sort of have this foregone conclusion that come 2027, Babu Owino is definitely the governor of Nairobi County, as much as he hasn't really launched that bid yet. What do you think informs the views and this conclusion from that is domiciled in many of city residents?
You see, in politics, nothing is on a plate for you to take. Politics, a boss, vacuum. Sakaja and the rest may not be happy about it, but 2027, if Babu wants to be governor of Nairobi, nothing will stand in his way.
Nothing will stand in his way?
No, nothing. If you look, even if you look at the tribal area,
arithmetics,
every box he ticks, many things are in his favor. The demographics of Nairobi. By merely being a Luo, that already gives him a head start. By being youthful, he resonates with the youth just as much as Sakaja will. There are votes that Sakaja got because of being youthful and educated. Babu is in the same category. Babu, if he came through ODM, ODM is the most popular party in this city. So you can see the boxes are being ticked, almost all of them. So for me, if I was asked to debate somebody about whether or not Babu will be the governor of Nairobi if he so desires, I would not wish to talk about it because it's a waste of breath.
It's a waste of breath.
Yeah, it's a waste of, you will just get it. But I think basically I don't think for 2027 the discussion should be about who will become the governor. If Babu stood, he will just win it, hands down.
Let's advance that conversation a little bit. Now that you've talked of both Sakaja and Babu, have this resonating with the ground stature embedded in their name, and also being very youthful, which resonates with many of the youth plights in this country, in this city. Then what else can he embed in his political element so that he can have a competitive edge over Sakaja even when that time comes?
I'm happy you are talking about resonating with the ground. Nairobi, if you don't have Babu Owino, Sifuna and Gaucho, and maybe one or two others, there can be no demonstrations in Nairobi. You need Babu Owino because of his toughness, eloquence, and the way he's in touch with the ground, the way he resonates with the people and the people resonate with him, the way he's able to charge the young people, and because of his mobilizing skills, which he acquired even when he was a student leader. So you need those voices.